All right, we're here with Mr. Peterson with the A100 dog grooming vacuum and dryer. And straight up, I've received many of these over the last year. This is the highest quality dog vacuum I have received. I think it just looks really nice. And this is the whole vibe of it. This is where the extension cable wraps around down here. Then you come up here. This is where the hair is going to go in. Then you've got back here. Right now, it's connected into the vacuuming mode, but you can just easily take that out, connect it in here. That's the drying mode. So I'm going to keep it in the vacuuming mode for now. And now before I even get into the attachments, all these attachments down here, I'm just going to show you. Say your dog is a shedder and you just want to straight up vacuum. You want to vacuum the dog. Hit the power button. From here, you can adjust the power settings. It's on the lowest setting right now. You can go to the second, third, and the highest. I'm going to keep it on the lowest. And I'm going to show you the key. Key, use treats. Peters, what's this, Bob? He's a baby boy. Good boy, Bob. He's a baby. He's a little boy. And that's how you get your dog excited about using this. But there's all sorts of different attachments down here. So you've also got this attachment, which could groom him while it's also vacuuming. So it's if your dog's a big shedder, it's grooming the dog as the hair's going in, coming down in here. So that's amazing. Then you've also got this one, which has this little vibe here that also can be vacuumed. And you press this to sort of pull it in. That's amazing. You've got this, which is set for more of the blow drying mode, which the blow drying mode is going to be that one. And you turn that on and it's blowing. Turn it up, it blows really hard. So you need it to blow hard. This thing can blow hard. Now I'm going to come over to the last piece right here, which this is going to be the biggest piece for you. So this is just the vacuum part of the piece right here. Vacuums in there. Then you've also got the shaver right here. So it shaves and vacuums at the exact same time. So you push that in. Now you're ready to go. And from here, there's all these different pieces right here that you can connect on. I'm just going to connect one of them. And we don't need to shave him right now, but if you wanted to shave him, now you're good to go. You just press this. So that's on, if you can hear it. I don't know if you can hear it, but that's on. And then put this into the vacuum mode. And now you're shaving your dog and vacuuming it at the same time. So all in all, this thing's amazing, and I highly recommend it to you.